Hello, Nadine here, and today I am making another card for you. I'm going to be using some fireworks sprays from Imagine and their Versafine Clair ink and also some embossing powder. This is the Iridescent, and I'm also going to be using this stamp set from Precious Remembrance Shop. This is the totally stamp set, which is fun little sayings on there. So I think I'm going to be using the totally stamp, and let's get started. Oh, and then the craft mat that I'll be using is also from Imagine, which I'm going to be spraying the fireworks straight onto the mat. And the great thing about this mat is it cleans up super easy because I've used it many times, and as you can see, it's clean. So let's get started. First, this is fireworks in Rosebud. I'm going to be using fireworks in Lulu Lavender, Bahama Blue, and this is Summer Sky.